Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE biology video by SMARTPATHTUTORIng. This is about health and disease. Diseases are a major cause of ill health. Health is a state of physical and mental well-being. Diseases are often responsible for causing ill health. Diseases can be communicable or non-communicable. Communicable diseases are those that can spread from person to person or between animals and people. They can be caused by things like bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi. They are sometimes described as contagious or infectious diseases. Measles and malaria are examples of communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those that cannot spread between people or between animals and people. They generally last for a long time and get worse slowly. Asthma, cancer, and coronary heart disease are examples of non-communicable diseases. Different types of diseases sometimes interact. Sometimes diseases can interact and cause other physical and mental health issues that don't immediately seem related. Here are a few examples. People who have problems with their immune system, the system that your body uses to help fight off infection, have an increased chance of suffering from communicable diseases such as influenza, flu, because our body is less likely to be able to defend itself against the pathogen that causes the disease. Some types of cancer can be triggered by infection by certain viruses. For example, infection with some types of hepatitis virus can cause long-term infections in the liver where the virus lives in the cells. This can lead to an increased chance of developing liver cancer. Another example is infection with HPV, human papillomavirus, which can cause cervical cancer in women. Immune system reactions in the body caused by infection by a pathogen can sometimes trigger allergic reactions such as skin rashes or worsen the symptoms of asthma for asthma sufferers. Mental health issues such as depression can be triggered when someone is suffering from severe physical health problems, particularly if they have an impact on the person's ability to carry out everyday activities or if they affect the person's life expectancy. Other factors can also affect your health. There are plenty of factors other than diseases that can also affect your health. For example, whether or not you have a good balanced diet that provides your body with everything it needs and in the right amounts. A poor diet can affect your physical and mental health. The stress you are under, being constantly under lots of stress, can lead to health issues. Your life situation, for example, whether you have easy access to medicines to treat illness or whether you have access to things that can prevent you from getting ill in the first place. For example, being able to buy healthy food or access condoms to prevent the transmission of some sexually transmitted diseases. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.